Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Munching with my mini-me. He has had a toothache today and yeah, just been one of those days.
Not today.
Yeah, you had some pain this morning.
Not today, but like for a few days.
Yeah, but we just got back from the dentist and it's nothing serious. So anyway.
They said I have like fillings, so they're just gonna have to put a cap on it.
So we're gonna try these out. And we got the big ones today, and let me give you guys an up close because they look gorgeous.
We're getting the minis.
Look how pretty these look. Okay, so we have Mom's Recipe, lemon poppy seed, which is like my all-time favorite. Confetti. This is a cookies and cream cake, strawberry shortcake, and banana bread. I don't know if I've ever had the banana bread. I've definitely never had this. I've never had this. I've had these three, but I don't think I've ever had this. So 3 new ones for me today. And they just look gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna let Hunter choose the first one. Which one?
Oh man, it's a hard decision. They all look pretty good. I'm gonna say the one that looks like a strawberry one.
This one?
No, this one. It looks like a strawberry donut type of kind. Can I get the first bite?
Yep, this is the one that we have tried before.
That one's pretty good.
I always leave up the names and the descriptions like right here on the screen, so y'all know which one it is. First bite.
Here, thank you. I'll just wanna.
Pretty good. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Okay, next up we are trying this one, and this is going to be really hard to pick up.
But yeah,
it's very, very soft.
That strawberry looking one.
But this looks bomb.
That one we tried first, that frosting was fluffy.
It was.
And then the other was
I do have a fork for this one.
Crunch. And then you're going to have one flat.
Okay. So that's what that bite looks like. And Hunter's going to taste out the first bite. Seriously, y'all, this one looks heavenly.
Oreo, for sure.
That is what I'm talking about.
Oreo cake.
I'm trying to remember which one was the one last week that it was a s'mores. It wasn't last week, but it was the week before. Careful, please don't make a mess. But it was not as chocolatey as I hoped. And this one is absolutely perfect. I can eat this all by myself. Oh my gosh. Yum.
If you don't know that video, you have to watch it.
Yeah. I highly recommend that one. Okay. Which one do you choose next? We already have our forks out, so we might as well try this one.
Yeah. I watch a lot of YouTube videos. And
strawberry shortcake. That is tall. Look at that. You have watch a lot of YouTube videos and what?
My scary videos and like, I mean, I'm like, what? I haven't seen that video. I need to like search for it. So I'm like, sure. I'll check this video. Ooh, I'll just take this.
Okay, there is strawberry in the middle as well. I know it's kind of hard to see. That strawberry on top is really good. Now, I'm not a big fan of whipped cream, and I know y'all think I'm kind of crazy for that. But this is pretty good. It's not like overly sweet.
She fills my mouth up with whipped cream. I'm not joking.
Yeah. What do you think about this one? It's pretty good?
Not joking.
Okay, Hunter, what did you think about the strawberry shortcake?
I think that was pretty good.
I thought it was good.
I think
All these so far are bomb, y'all.
I think last time I tried that, I didn't like it.
We'd never had the strawberry shortcake before.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh. Well,
Which one?
I'm probably going to go with the one Kai chose. Or Kai.
Okay. This is, and I just
have the
took a piece off of it. Okay.
For Kai, he's right here. You can't see him.
Let's try this one out. Had this one before. It's pretty good, but it's not something I feel like you have to have. But it's good because it's got all of the different things in it. So I think that's pretty good. All right, next up, because I know the lemon poppy seed is my favorite, we'll just do that one last. But we're going to do the banana bread. Now, Hunter and I make a killer banana bread. If you guys want to see us make that sometime, maybe we'll go live and make that one day, or just make a video of it. Again, that's what it looks like. What it look like?
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We need to do another live video.
That is straight up, yeah, banana bread.
That just reminded me of banana bread.
I love the brown sugar on top.
I know, it's really good. Can I have another bite?
Mm-hmm. Mmm. Yeah. That is so good. Tastes kind of like a banana cinnamon roll. Alright, this is lemon poppy seed, which has to be, I think Hunter loved this one last time as well. So we both know that this is like our top favorite. I don't know. I kind of remember it being a little bit better than this. Maybe it wasn't the lemon poppy seed I was obsessed with. So I thought I remember this tasting a little bit better. But, I don't know. I thought it was the lemon poppy seed that I just absolutely loved. But, I mean, this is good. But it's not like, oh my gosh, you gotta have. That concludes our taste test video. Honestly, y'all, this is one of the best weeks I feel like they've had for quite some time. Well, a few weeks ago it was pretty good, I feel like. What is your favorite, Hunter?
Ratings,
my favorite is the chocolate cake.
I gotta say.
And the strawberry shortcake and banana bread. Those
I gotta
three.
say my favorite is at least this one, of course.
Yep, the chocolate cake, the cookies and cream.
This one and this one for sure.
The
this
confetti.
one was really good. And this one.
Okay, he likes the confetti, lemon, and then the banana bread. Super, super good. If y'all try any of these out, definitely let us know. Excuse me. Let us know, and we'll see you guys the next time we make another video, which will be very, very soon. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Mini-Me says out.